So how would you like to learn about 5 work from home jobs in 2018? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you 5 different jobs you can go get online right now and start making money. So stay tuned. Alright, so here we are. Let's start. Now, before I get started, first, if you are ready to make more money, you want to become a better online entrepreneur, you want to just have a better lifestyle, make sure you click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. So this right here, it's called VIP Kid or VIP Kid, okay, right here, VIPKid.com. What you do right here is you teach English online. So this is ESL, this is English as a second language. So if you understand English and you're good at, and they have a bunch of different criteria, but all you have to do, come over here, sign up, and get started. Okay, you can start making money very quickly by doing this. Okay, so try it out. If you know English, if you're good at English, you have a good understanding of the English language, and you understand grammar, fairly well, you should be able to do okay. Again, between $14 to $22 per hour. Okay, this is just one way to make money online. So if you are thinking about making money online, or if you've been thinking about it, let me ask you one question. Put your answer in the comment section below as well. Is why do you want to make an income online? What is your reasoning? I'd love to hear about. So put your answer in the comment section below. Let's go to number 2. The second one is becoming a freelance writer online. So this is something, if you've been following me here on my Homemade Entrepreneur YouTube channel for a while, you know I started over a decade ago and I was writing articles for other people online. Okay, I made a full-time income from it, and I actually just got out of it fairly recently, but it's a great business to get into. Let me show you. Okay, so look at this. Okay, so he's made over $90,000. Okay, $35 an hour. This person's getting paid $25 an hour, and he's made $4,000. $52 an hour made $5,000. $45 an hour made $30,000. Okay, let's see if anyone's up over 100. Nobody there. Okay, there's just a bunch of people doing this. So all you gotta do is go to Upwork.com, and so here's one. This might be a team of people, but 100,000 plus, 90,000 plus, 10,000, 3,000, 9, 5. Becoming a freelance writer is a great business to get into. Okay, yeah, again, if you understand English, or even if you're going to write in some other language, you can. Okay, so if this is something you're interested in, go to Upwork.com and you can sign up there. Sometimes Upwork is really picky because they do have a bunch of people that come in to write. So if you can't use Upwork, go to a site called textbroker.com if you're inside the United States, or go to Craigslist.org and look over in the Philippines and look over in India, and you can find a bunch of people that are looking for writers. Okay, and usually they pay between a penny to maybe, or even like half a cent per word. Okay, but normally it's between a penny to about 3 cents per word. So if you write a 500-word article, if you're getting paid a penny, you make $5. If you're getting paid 3 cents per word, you're going to make $15 per one article you write. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. The next thing, most people don't know about this, but there's a site called Rev.com. What they do at Rev is they transcribe, videos and stuff like that. Okay, so you can see right here they have transcriptionists, they have captioners, and they have translators. So they charge, I believe it's like $1 a minute to have a video transcribed or put captions on it. So come down here at the very bottom, you can go right here, go to www.rev.com/freelancers. Okay, you can see it right here. Go to that. You can see these are what they pay you. Okay, so for a transcriptionist, per audio minute, you get paid between 40 cents and 65 cents. Let me pull up the calculator really quick. Okay, so let's say you do this for an hour and you're getting paid 40 cents per minute. Okay, so let's say you do, let's say it's 40 cents per minute times 60, you're getting paid $24 per hour to do this. Okay, so let's say you're getting paid 65 cents. Okay, you're getting paid $39 per hour. If you did that for 8 hours a day, oops, what did they have? 65 cents times 60. There you go. That's per hour. Then you times that by 8. It's $312 per day. Times that by what was that? 16. No, not 16. 20 days in a month. Okay, you're gonna make $6,240 per month by being a transcriptionist if you're getting paid 65 cents per audio minute. Okay, let's look at the next one. Right here, this is for video editors. Again, I'm kind of sticking to a theme because this is a theme that I know about. But one of the things I'm always looking for, or that I was always looking for, was writers. Okay, covered that. Another thing that I look for, people that could edit videos. We're doing that right now, and this is for YouTube. The next thing I'd look for is people that can do captions for me, can do closed captions. And again, we just talked about that. So right now I'm just looking at the US only, but for somebody that does video editing, look at this, okay? $62 per hour, $30 per hour, $30 per hour, $50 per hour, $35. There's kind of depends. They're a staffing agency, made over $5 million, $5 million plus, 38 an hour, okay, over $7,000 earned. Okay, who knows when these people even started, but let's say they started a year ago, okay, doing something online, making $7,000, $5,000, $100,000, $10,000. That's pretty good, right? Yeah. That's what I'm trying to get you guys to understand, is that you can make money online, you can make a lot of money, and you can do it very quickly. You never have to leave your home, okay? So the last one, and so I've used video editors, I've used Rev.com, I've used writers, okay? I've never done ESL or English as a second language, but you can. Okay, if you want to get into this, this would be a great site to go. VIPKid.com or VIPKid, I'm not sure how they say it. Upwork for freelancers. Go to rev.com/freelancers for any of these services. Again, Upwork.com for video editing, or you can even do graphic design. You can even do app development. Or the last one, this is one I even talked about last year for 2017 as well. Because this is a great work from home opportunity, is to pretty much run your own call center. Okay, so this is how it works. So you can click here, become an agent. Okay, and you go and apply, and they're gonna ask questions. And okay, so how much can you make? You can come and read this if you want to. But the key here is, one, you get to schedule your hours. Two, okay, you can get more talk time. If you are a top performing call center agent, you can get more talk time, which means more calls will come to you. You'll make more money, and you can still set your hours based around your kid's schedule. Maybe you have another job, you have a different part-time job. Maybe you want to become a call center agent, and also you want to be a transcriptionist. You can do that. That's the beautiful thing about working from home in 2018 and working online, is that you can do whatever you want to do. There's options, there's possibilities. It's all, really depending on what you want to do and what you decide you can do. So those are my 5 ways to work from home, make money online in 2018. So if you like this video, want more videos on this exact topic, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And also make sure you click that subscribe button today, click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.